On YouTube, you can post videos, but they don't all have to be public and found in search. There are 3 options for video publishing setting. You can make it public for everyone, so it can be found in search. You can make it unlisted, so only those with a link can watch it. This is useful if you have a landing page with video you don't want on YouTube. You can also make video private, so only you or those you gave specific permission can watch. The last option is for videos you had but don't want to remove completely. Maybe you'll use them again. It's a good idea to put a video in private mode instead of deleting it completely, even if it's not relevant anymore. You can change the publishing situation anytime on YouTube. You can also schedule it. For example, make a video unlisted for a while, then make it public, or the opposite. When you upload a video, on the last page of the upload process, you have the option to schedule it. You can make it public right away, unlisted or private. You can also schedule it to be published as a premiere at specific time. YouTube also had new feature allowing you to make the video public only for your paid members. After a certain time, it can become public for everyone. This is a way to give your members a sneak peek at your content before everyone else. If you want to change a video from public to unlisted, for example, after ending a sale or giveaway, you need to go to your content tab in YouTube Studio. You can change the publishing status here by clicking on the visibility of the video, and you'll see all 3 options to switch to. You can also schedule a video that was published, making it private until it's set to be public again. Set the date and time and you're done. When you schedule a video to go public or when you make a video public, you can set the video as premiere. A YouTube premiere is a feature that allows you to debut a pre-recorded video as a live moment. When you use premiere, your audience can watch and experience the video together, as if it were a live stream, complete with a live chat feature. When you schedule a video without premiere, it will only show on YouTube when it is published. But if you set it to premiere, everyone can find it on your channel and in the subscribers feed. They can also set a reminder to be there when the premiere starts. When you have a unlisted video in a public playlist, just like public video. So if you don't want the video to be visible and public, you need to remove the video from the playlist too when you make it unlisted. The same applies to private videos. They will appear in a playlist, but viewers won't see them. They will be blank and unplayable. So it's a good idea to remove them from the playlist when you make the video private. When you need to remove a video from playlist or change its status from public to private or unlisted, you need to go to your content tab and make the changes there. You can also make these changes within the video info page. But what if you want to set a video to become unlisted or private after a while and you don't want to remember to do it manually? Well, with YouTube, you can only schedule video to go public, not the other way around. When you change the status, you also need to go to all of your playlists and remove the video from them. So if you want all of this to be automated, making the videos unlisted or private and removing them from the playlists, this is something you can't do with YouTube, but you can achieve it with TubeBuddy's tools. You can watch this video next. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.